Most drivers have no idea what their car can actually do, but you're about to become smarter than 99% of them. Because today, I'm revealing 10 hidden car features you've probably never used, never noticed, and never even heard of. And trust me, some of these will save you money, protect your car, and even keep you safer on the road. So buckle up, stick around to the end, because feature number 10 is something automakers don't advertise, but every driver should know. Feature number 1, hidden gas icon arrow. Let's start with something simple but shockingly unknown. Look at your fuel gauge. See that tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon? That arrow tells you which side your fuel cap is on without ever stepping out of your car. Now you never have to do the awkward pull up and lean out the window move again. Feature number 2, secret key inside key fob. Feature number 2 saves lives, especially when your battery dies. Your key fob has a hidden physical key inside it. You can pop it out and manually unlock your door, even if the fob is dead. Perfect for cold weather, emergencies, or if your car battery quits unexpectedly. Feature number 3, auto down and auto up windows. Ever notice your windows roll down all the way with one tap? But here's the secret, many cars also have auto up too. Just pull the switch fully and release. And some models even let you roll down all windows using the key fob, a hidden summer hack most drivers never use. Feature number 4, child lock for windows. You know that little button near the driver controls that locks the rear windows? Most people think it's just for kids, but it also stops pets from accidentally opening windows or rear passengers from messing with your ventilation. Use it even if you don't have kids. You'd be surprised how many adults can't keep their hands off buttons. Feature number 5, hidden sun visor extension. This one blows people away. Pull your sun visor down, now slide it sideways toward the window. Boom! Hidden extension. No more sunlight cooking the side of your face. Feature number 6, hood safety catch. Ever wonder why your hood has 2 latches? It's not a manufacturing thing, it's a safety feature. If the first latch fails, the second prevents your hood from flying open at highway speeds. Because trust me, nothing will make your soul leave your body faster than that. Feature number 7, emergency inside trunk release. This one's a big deal. Every modern car has a glow-in-the-dark handle inside the trunk. It's designed so anyone trapped inside, kids, pets, or even adults, can escape. It's one of the most important hidden features in any car. Feature number 8, hidden rest mode. European cars like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, VW have a secret called rest mode. It keeps the heater running even when the engine is off, using leftover engine heat. So if you're waiting for someone on a cold night, you stay warm without burning fuel. Feature number 9, hidden compartments. A lot of cars hide secret compartments. Some have spaces under seats, some behind touch panels, and many SUVs have cavities in the trunk you never open. Perfect for emergency tools, documents, or anything you don't want rolling around. Feature number 10, the transmission S button, sport mode. And here's the big one. That little S on your gear selector, most people never touch it. But S stands for sport mode, and it completely changes your car. It sharpens throttle response, holds gears longer, increases power delivery, and wakes up your engine. If you've never tried it, you've never experienced your car's full ability. Just maybe don't try it in rush hour traffic. So there you have it, 10 hidden car features that most drivers never knew existed. Tell me in the comments how many of these did you already know? Because I'm betting it's not more than 3. If you want a part 2 with even crazier hidden features, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I've got more car secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.